Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you folks how to multiply bases with deficiencies. So starting from here, 73 times 71. First thing we want to do is come up with a formula. So since 73 times 71, the base with this one will be 10. 10 will be the actual base, times the 7, which 7 will be your deficiency, equals 70. And 70 will be the working base. So here's what I mean by all this. 73 is above the base 70 by 3. So you write plus 3 out here on the side. 71 is above the base of 70 by 1. So we put plus 1 out here. Now the next step is we can crisscross add. 73 plus 1 equals 74. Or 71 plus 3 equals 74. Either way, you'll get 74 on the left side. Next one is to multiply 3 times 1, which equals 3. Now the next step is to multiply 74 by the deficiency of 7. So 74 times 7 equals 518. Slash mark, bring the 3 down. Now, since 3 is below the base of 10, we don't have to worry about carrying any numbers over. So 3 stays 3 as it is. So all we have to do next is plug these numbers together, and we got 5,183 as our final answer. Alrighty, next one. 89 times 88. On this one, we'll go with the actual base of 10 times the deficiency of 9, which equals 90 as our working base. So 89 is below 90 by 1, by the working base of 1. So you're gonna write -1 right here. And 88 is below the base 90 by 2. So you're gonna write -2 right here. Next step is to crisscross subtract. You can use subtract 89 minus 2, which equals 87, or 88 minus 1, which equals 87. Either way, it's 87. So we're going to write 87 outside right here. Next step is to multiply -1 times -2 equals 2. Next step is to multiply 87 by the deficiency of 9. So bring 9 down here. We start multiplying. So 87 times 9 equals, give me a moment while I take some time to think on this, 783. So you write 783 right here. Slash mark, bring 2 down. Now we don't have to worry about carrying any numbers over because 2 is below the 2 is below the actual base of 10. So all we have to do next is plug these numbers together and you get 7,832 as our final answer. Alrighty, next step. 91 times 85. The formula on this one will be 10 as our actual base, times the 9 as our deficiency, equals 90 as our working base. So the next step, 91 is above the base of our working base, 90 by 1. So we're going to write plus 1 right here. 85 is below the base of 90 by 5. So we write -5 right here. Alright, so the next step is we can either crisscross subtract or crisscross add. Either way, we will get 86. So write 86 on the left side. Next step is to multiply 1 times -5, which equals -5. Well, since we got a negative, we got to find the complement. So what we got to do next? Well, first we need to multiply the deficiency of 86 times 9. So 86 times 9 equals 774. So bring 774 down, bring -5 down. Now the next step is to subtract. Since we got -5, we got to find the complement and subtract these numbers by 1. So 774 minus 1, which equals 773. The complement of -5, will be 5 because 10, the actual base of 10, right here, minus 5 equals 5, of course. So we bring 5 down. Alright, so now we got 773 on the left side, 5 on the right side. And since 5 is below the base of 10, we don't have to worry about carrying any numbers over. So we just plug these numbers together, and we got 7,735 as our final answer. Overall, I hope this helps. Till next time, signing off.